Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I am the investor. Go live every day, up to 10 hours a day. Here is my studio. I was actually named the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, and I do live concerts here in the evening. Just a few nights ago, yesterday, in fact, I was doing a world premiere with Sir Paul McCartney. And yes, indeed, if you check out this video, it's in the chat for you right now, and you can pick it up. There you go, just dropped it into the chat for you. What a night we've got lined up for you tonight. It's my real shares, my real positions, and we've got the Netflix earning coming up later on today. The most honest, real engaging channel on YouTube. We have the highest engagement rate of live viewers to members above all other channels. 95% of our live viewers are members, and they have a great community here 24/7 on Discord and Twitter and LinkedIn and all the places that my community gather. We have special events where everyone gets together. We're very, very excited. A lot to talk about today. Let's get straight into the shares, straight into the positions. If it's your first time, please do click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We got our cash prize giveaway in the morning, and if we get to 100 likes during this show, we also give a cash prize as well. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. How you all doing? Welcome to all of you. Netflix earnings coming up tonight. If you want to be on our main show here on YouTube, let me put you on the screen right now. I'll put everybody on TikTok on the screen. You can see yourselves right now. Here, are you ready? Are you ready? Here you come. Give it a few seconds. There's about a 15-second delay. We're on 20 platforms right now. TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, multi-websites, YouTube, Livestreamer Cafe, my own platform that I have built especially for streamers who want to stream and be searchable. I've created my very own platform, Livestreamer Cafe. And what's wonderful about that is it's going to be better than Facebook and YouTube and all these other places for streaming. Check it out and let me show you why. Be very, very careful. All the scammers over there on TikTok, there are over 100 now who pretend to be me. Please do not reply to anyone who messages you. I do not message anyone. I do not follow anyone unless you are a subscriber, member, or you can subscribe by clicking the star up here, or by becoming my top gifter. If you do tap the screen and become my top gifter during the show, I will follow you back, make a video promoting your channel and help you grow. I have 31,000 followers and over 500,000 followers across all my platforms. All right, back to YouTube. Here we go. Okay, let's go through all our positions and let's see who's live with me now. We had an explosive video some few moments ago. You can see on the chart there, a Netflix short pumped up right there a few moments ago. I just put that out announcing our Netflix event tonight. And also we're starting the show with 6,116. Some person unsubscribed. I get that all the time. It's brilliant. You gain one. So as long as you go 10 forward, 2 back, it's okay. It's part of the course. It happens all the time. The bigger you get on YouTube, the more unsubscribers you get. Some accounts die off. YouTube get rid of them. And some people make you like what they like one video and then they unsubscribe because they don't like the subject. Especially in the financial space, you get people who protest unsubscribe to you as well. Happens all the time. Okay, does it concern me? Not at all. In fact, it gives me more strength to carry on pushing through. Let's have a little look. Let's see who we got here in the chat. We've got Mike. If you're on YouTube now, you can get your name on the screen and I'll answer all your questions. Queen of Self-Braiding, how are you? Mike, hello, says Flutter Edits. The only person left in our channel who's not a member. Everybody is. Welcome, welcome. Bill, welcome to all of you. You just had includes paid promotion badge. That is correct. Did you see that? Did you see the paid promotion badge? Yes, that's because I have a sponsor. I declare that myself. It's to keep the integrity of the channel. Yes, because Ali Tizro is sponsoring my channel and I'm actively promoting his information, then I report to YouTube that there is paid promotion in my channel. It's the right thing to do. Not everyone admits to it. In fact, I've seen a lot of YouTubers who don't use that function, but it's the right thing to do. Gives you full disclosure that I clicked that option. It's a legal requirement, but many YouTubers don't do it. I see it all the time. But anyway, I like to do it. It's the right thing to do. Again, it's the integrity of the channel, right? Okay. The S&P 500 has returned today. I didn't buy anything this morning. It's a legal requirement, I believe. Yes, it is. It is, but many people don't do it. They think it's. I've spoke to people and they said we don't want to do it. It sort of makes our channel look like we're just getting, taking money to talk about stuff. Well, you are. So you should tell people. You all know why I do what I do, and I explain it all in detail. So there's no issue. But some people don't like, especially those YouTubers who took money for FTX. And they don't want to admit to that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Everyone does it their own way. Rivian is coming up. Tesla is coming up. Nothing went low enough for me. Nothing went low enough for me. In fact, I just saw my wife studying DCA a few moments ago, dollar cost averaging. She was sitting there reading about it. I thought that was brilliant. DCA today, it really isn't cheap enough, though. Of course, people want you to buy shares when they go down, but it's not cheap enough. You've got to understand your own portfolio. Coca-Cola is up today. The granddad stocks are doing well. Google doing well. I've got a small position. Things will get cheaper. 22, I think so as well, of course. But people are trying to encourage people to buy when it's down. Making up wonderful, stories about the whole thing. Enphase Energy. Now, Enphase Energy, I love this company. It's great. Its financials are phenomenal. But remember, it trades at a staggering 120 times earnings. We know it's a great company. It's the future. It's solar. It's all the good stuff that you want. It's making money. It's doing really well. Everything's great. But 120 times earnings. It's very, 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 very expensive. Very, very expensive. You can see it's consistently going up, doing well. Expectations, again, I'm sure it will be to February the 7th. You want to get on this, but I've got a little bit. I used to have a lot more. I sold it at the top, knowing that we'd start to come down, and it's like Tesla. We got carried away with this one. It's great, but you can't 121 times earnings. I mean, bloody hell, that's sort of 20 years into the future, right? But there you go. You got to get value. It's not just about buying something because it keeps on going. That just becomes gambling. We've got to buy value. Warren Buffett always said, buy stocks that you have good value. That are cheap, not great companies that are expensive. It makes no point. It makes no sense. Ed Nevius, how are you over there on TikTok? That's nice to see you over there, Ed. Great stuff. Thank you, Ed. I put Ed on the screen. Ed Nevius, one of our YouTube families over there on TikTok, doing his thing, answering the questions, having some fun over there on TikTok. Absolutely awesome stuff. I like it. Let's read some of his comments. Things will get cheaper, indeed. Do we think it will continue to go down again? No one knows. You've just got to realize that it's overvalued, but we do have the earnings, so I expect the earnings to be good. I think there's more going into solar. I mean, obviously the whole world can, when the whole world's covered in solar panels, maybe it's peaked. It hasn't even started its journey. We're buying ahead of schedule, so if you can get it on the way down, why not? It's the sort of stock that you can buy into the future price. Over the last 3 months, it's down. What was that? Is that 6 or 8%? Nearly, 8.5%. Over the month, down 25%. So it's getting better. But if you look at the curve, it's up 10,000%. It used to trade for $8. It's now $226. So the important figure is the subs. Netflix will be interesting. Indeed, it is. I do, Bootsy. Maybe not today, but in the coming days and weeks. There you go. Anyway, let's get back to it. Bill has just become my top viewer. Bill's over there on TikTok. Look, he's number one again with his Luca badge. Sorry I didn't get the video done today. I will endeavor to get it done, but in fact I will get it done by the end of today. I wanted it out earlier, same as Tony Mallion. I wanted his video out. I was doing the Netflix promotions and Ali Tizro promotions and everything else, so didn't get that, but I am catching up with my list of things to do, even if the list is getting longer. I'm becoming more efficient every day with the way I do things. All right, Virgin Galactic is moving up today. Now, nice. Could have bought it at 471. That's not cheap enough for me. Not yet. I've got some here if it goes to $6 million, or I'll hold back if it goes lower. All right. It's not insignificant amount. I mean, 200 shares is nothing. It's not nothing, right? Anyway, let's carry on. Virgin Orbit. Now, how many likes have we got right now? All right, let's sort these likes out a minute, because if we get 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize, so everyone should like the video, right? What's going on? Let's have a quick look. Netflix is being searched right now. Yep, you can see on my chart here, Netflix is just peaked. 432 views straight out the gate on my short there. So people are starting to look for Netflix information. And we are covering it live tonight after the show. Wonderful stuff indeed. Okay. Let's look at the heat map, and then we'll do... we'll get these likes up. We'll fix these likes. Let's look at the heat map. There you go. A little bit of green. Apple's warmed up. Google's warmed up a lot. Amazon's still going down, as you can see, but the heat map's looking pretty decent today. It's 50-50, isn't it? 50-50, a lot of recoveries, a lot of reaction this morning, but things are improving right now. Okay, now then, let's have a quick look at these likes, and let's fix this issue right now. Let's fix this issue. There's 20 watching, 10 likes. Are you ready? So, everybody, let's get 100 likes on the show today so we can give away a cash prize. You ready? I'll share with you on the screen, bring everything up so you can see it. Are you ready? Here we go. So, there are currently now 21 watching. I'll zoom in. There you go. 21 watching. And if we go to the likes, we've got 12 likes. So you had 10, 11, 12. Let's get the 20, 13. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. 13, 14. Come on, let's get to 20. 15, we want 20 likes for the end of the bell. End of the show, end of the bell, you know what I mean. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Smash the like button, 10 seconds to go. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. 14 likes. Few seconds to go. Okay, 14% of the way there to 100 likes. Can't give away any money yet. 21 watching, 15 likes. Gone back up again. But we need 100 by the end of the show. Right, let's have a look at our main position. And the S&P is coming up. Netflix, what about our crypto? We are looking at crypto, of course. We've got Bitcoin SV down 0.44. Taking off Robinhood soon. Bitcoin today, BTC up 1.57, looking a lot better today. Ethereum as well, up 1.75, 1554. Let me show you my overall position. This is the Ali Tizro, of course, crypto challenge. As yet, nothing exciting. It's all kind of like just sitting there and waiting. $1,000 just sat there, not going anywhere, not doing anything at the moment. We haven't deployed the money. We're just leaving it there at the moment. All right, then we go over to my ledger where I've removed my Bitcoin that I'm not selling. You can see we're up on it. We're up on the day 2%, up on the week 11%, up on the month 25%. Just sitting there, $156 gain. So there you go. Not too bad. We'll leave it there. And let's go back to the main portfolio and share with you on the screen where we are right now. So I'm worth $34,256 plus, of course, my Roth IRA, which brings me up to $36,500. We got as far as, what was it, 30? Did we get as far as $36,900 a couple of days ago? I think we probably did. Anyway, not too bad, not too bad. We're holding in there. Lower prices are coming. Most people would believe that. Now then, let's have a quick. It's a very quiet afternoon this afternoon. Very quiet. We've got the Netflix earnings coming up very, very soon. Right at the end of the show, we've got the Netflix earnings. That's coming up today. Let me have a quick look. Any news on my Bloomberg source? Nothing really coming through there. Someone this morning reported the end of the war in Ukraine. Remember that? And I said we can't verify that. That is nonsense. Well, I did check it over and over again, and it was nonsense. There's no evidence to support that the war in Europe is over at all. I'd like to welcome our guests on Live Streamer Cafe this afternoon. We've got Chris over there in LSC. Welcome, Chris, indeed, on Live Streamer Cafe. Do you miss a setting? Did you miss a setting in Ecamm? If you're sending your YouTube channel, why are you streaming to LSC? I don't get it. If you're sending your YouTube channel, why are you streaming to LSC? Who's writing that? Is that you, Chris? Who's in LSC right now? Is that you, Chris, writing that? Chris, is that you on the screen? If you're sending, you're set to use YouTube channel, but you're also sending. Hang on. If you're sending to your YouTube, why are you streaming to LSC? This is my YouTube channel. What do you mean, Chris? If you're sending your YouTube channel, why are you streaming to LSC? I don't get it. Did you miss a setting in Ecamm? I'm only sending to YouTube. You've lost me. You're set to use YouTube channel, but you're also sending to RTMP. I'm sending to both. Talk to me after the show, Chris. I have no idea what you mean. I'm sending to both. It's my YouTube channel on the screen. I'm not sure. Hi all, XRP. How are you doing? How are you doing? And let's just bring some of those LSC chats up. These are some of the new chats. Look, let's rock and roll. I just missed that one then. In Ecamm or something, you're also sending to RTMP server. Ah! Am I? In Ecamm, you're also sending to RTMP server. Am I? I don't think so, Chris. In fact, I know so. I know so. If I look on Ecamm Live and restream, I'm going to my YouTube channel, Facebook in groups, LinkedIn, Twitch. Hang on a minute. Yes, Chris. Look, you're absolutely right. I just noticed something. I clicked the wrong. You're dead right. I've just checked. Look at this. I should be on there. I should be streaming to my Twitter account, and I've accidentally clicked to the LSC investor. That's a mistake. There we go. Let me fix that. Sorry about that. It probably won't let me do it midstream, but yeah, I've just realised what it is. Yeah. Probably can't save it during the show. Yeah, probably can't. Okay. Gotcha. Was just worried that someone hijacked your account. Yeah. Well done, Chris. Bingo. I'm literally watching your stream key being used right now. There you go. That was interesting. How's everything going? Yes. There you go. What's up, Martin? Thank you, Chris. I'll need to check that on my other streams, make sure that they're all correct. I clicked the wrong one. That's all I did. LinkedIn. LSC, yeah. That's right. Just on this stream. Thanks, Chris, for checking out, looking after me, mate. Appreciate it. It's no big deal as long as it was actually you. It was me. Right, carrying on. Let's have a look at the S&P. Now, Netflix, it started to recover just along with the rest of the market. We are going to cover it at the end of today's show, so join us for Netflix earnings tonight. This is it. This is the official Netflix earnings, and we'll be covering it tonight. This is the Netflix price right now. This is the Netflix chart right now. Ooh, he's talking charts again. He's talking charts. Yes. We'll be there tonight. Covering Netflix, and there you go, happening live after the show. Hopefully you'll join me for that. Be back, hoping on YouTube. Be back, keep smashing those likes. Thank you, Ed Nevius. Spot on, mate. All right, okay, get back into the position trades right now. See where we are. The overall portfolio, it's just a bit of a muted day, really, if I'm honest. Not a great deal. It's, tale of two cities, tale of two stories. We're up, we're back down again, and we're back where we started from. Not really much going on, if I'm totally honest. Today, it's just a matter of holding on to your positions, and all is well in the world. Anyway, let's bring everybody up to date with our first commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube member, sponsor level, just $99 a month, you can go out to 20 platforms at a time, 10 hours a day, and you can have one of these spaces. There you go. What's the record like on TikTok? Today is about breaking records. 20,000 likes on TikTok. I think we've done about 120 likes on YouTube. So I think that's the record. Anyway. Yeah. So we've got a ways to go. Got you. Let's go. All right. If we get everybody opening, I tell you what, Ed, I'll make it easier. I'll make it easiher for you. I'll ask everyone to jump onto TikTok at the same time and tap the screen. Are you ready? You want a 20,000 likes, do you? All right. So here we go. This is my TikTok channel. In the chat, it's of course Martyn Lucas Investor on TikTok. Here is there is the link. Let's get everyone tapping the screen like that for both two fingers is the best way of doing it. And if everyone does it for about 5 minutes, with the amount of people we got, we could get 20,000 likes. Absolutely. And the purpose of doing the likes is the more likes we get, the more TikTok share it. Especially if you click the share at the bottom. In the bottom right hand corner, just down there, let me just give it to you. There you go. Just down, hang on, there's a share button, there, just there. Click the share button. Hey, it's Real Ray, Constant Courage. How are you, Real Ray? Lovely to see you again. Lovely to see you. I've been reading all your messages. Sorry I've not had a chance to reply to everything. It's getting pretty hectic these days. But it's lovely to have you here. Thanks for all your support. And I fully understand that you can't watch everything. I don't know why. Everybody else does. And it's great to have you here. Did you see my Paul McCartney last night? Did you see my Paul McCartney last night when I was singing with Paul McCartney? Did you see that on YouTube? All right. Carlos Sanchez. Martin, when do you think Virgin will fly first commercial flights? We expect it to be in the next month or so. Do not be carried away, though, by the Redditors and the YouTubers and the Twitters who want to either short the stock or promote the stock. Someone today actually accused me of pumping Virgin Galactic, and I should be more enthusiastic with Arrival. Why are you doing it? I said, I don't pump anything. I only talk about what I own shares in with my own money and what I actually believe. If I was a YouTuber that pumps stock, I would pump something that I have every reason of exiting and dumping on you, or not even owning it, just doing it for clickbait. Well, neither of that in my case is true. And the reason probably why this person doesn't like me talking about Arrival, because they probably own shares in it. And oh, by the way, did anyone see today that I ranked number 1 for you on YouTube, incognito for ARVL stock? I was quite excited about that. I thought it was quite good. So Arrival, I ranked number 1 above everybody else, and right at the top. And that's probably what it is. And if anybody actually feels grieved over my videos saying, a stock isn't great, you are invited to come on the show. If you actually work at Amazon or Arrival or wherever you might work at, or you are a shareholder and you'd like to have your say, well, you can have your say. Oh, hello. Looks like Bill is going for top spot again. There we go. Bill just got the number 1 gifter. No, I'll look though. You didn't? Right. Well, Real Ray, here is the Paul McCartney video I did with Sir Paul McCartney last night. I'm quite proud of this one. There you go. All right, take a little look. There it is in the chat. The world premiere. It premiered last night. Was it the night before? Night before? Might be the night before. Anyway, Bill wants to be top man on TikTok right now. Paddy, how are you? Now then, we are about to plan our next day trader event. Last year we met in Cornwall. Paddy was there, Alicia was there, Ali Isles was there, Tom was there. Lots of people were there in Cornwall with us. And we're doing it again this year. We're doing it in New Mexico at Virgin Galactic. We're going to stay at a hotel in Virgin Galactic, and we're doing it again. We've already got people all over America, Canada who are coming, and we've got some people from England and maybe Italy. Fancy a little holiday in New Mexico, America, Paddy and Ale? It's the summer of 2023. So about 5-6 months from now, we're going to nip down to New Mexico and have our party. Who is up for it? I think we're going to have about 20 people come this time, which is double what we had last time. So very, very exciting. Might even get more than that, but I would expect 20. Anyway, very, very exciting. So, here is Microsoft doing well up today. Sorry, down but moving up. Summer 2023. New Mexico. There you go. Stephen Lewandowski's coming. I'm well, thanks. I hope the same for you. If you go to New Mexico, I think you should grow a long moustache and start smoking Marlboro. Yeah, maybe I will. When it's 120 Fahrenheit degrees. Have you never heard of air conditioning, mate? There's air conditioning in the hotels. What are you on about, Bill? Hey? What are you on about? So anyway, I'm used to that anyway because it's that temperature here. So it ain't going to be. I live near New Mexico anyway, so it ain't going to make much difference to me in Dallas, is it really? Anyway, so Netflix coming up very, very soon, folks. In the after hours, this is our Netflix earnings tonight. Join us. This show will go directly to the Netflix earnings. Start with the big caps around the corner. And Bill is still number 1 on TikTok right now, but you need to go outside. We will go outside. What do you think? The rocket's going to take off inside? But Bill is still number 1. Right. We're up to 5,000 likes now. We've got a bit of a game going on today. Hey, Martin, what about you, my friend? I'm good. Ale, Paddy, are you coming? Dexter Sickles is in the house. I'm assuming this is one of the Dexter family. How are you, Dex? Ale, Paddy, you coming to New Mexico next year? You coming to the convention? Should be good, right? It was amazing last time. It's going to be even better this time. It's going to be even better. Then you will be hot. Then we will be hot then, Bill. What can I say? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 says Foxnit. Very, very good indeed. All right. Okay. S&P is returning a little bit. Netflix is falling at the moment. We want to see what they do. We'll get some information on their earnings in the next half an hour. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. Didn't dip that much, did it? Rivian also today is trying to push back up. Tesla is trying to push up. I want to get some more at the 110. 110. Lucid, I want at 6. Apple, I want at 130. Amazon, I want at 90. I've got $1,200 at the moment in my portfolio, so I've got money to buy stocks. As you can see in my buying power, there it is, $1,229 sitting there. It'd be awesome, but unfortunately, I think it's going to be a lot expensive for us. Yes, I mean that obviously you came to the European one. We were hoping you were going to come, but we understand it's a long way to go for you from Italy to New Mexico. But you could be there on, of course, the camera. We'll bring everybody. We'll bring everybody on the camera and share everything, of course, like last time. But anyway, there's $1,200, and on Saturday I will have another $1,000 coming in as well. So we'll be able to add to the position here to get the discounts. I reckon we're going to get a drop tomorrow and on Monday. So here we go. We're going back down again. We had a little flutter earlier, and now it's going back down again. Let's look at our crypto. Ethereum. We've got our crypto challenge starting now. $1,000 to $10,000. And let's watch it on. This is our position right now. We're holding it all in cash at the moment. Our crypto tech guy has not given us the go to buy any crypto whatsoever. So there we go. There is our plan on the screen. $1,000 sitting there waiting to be deployed. Yes, it's a fantastic idea, Martin. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we will miss you because you were there on the first one. So of course we'll miss you. Tilray Brands is going down again. No matter what anyone tells you, Tilray Brands will go down before it goes up. Everyone keeps telling you it's going to the moon and making up all these ridiculous statements. But the fact of the matter is, it's all going down before it goes up. There's another pullback yet. Very good idea, says Paddy. Hey, Stephen, what's up? Stephen Lewandowski. Oh, he's going to be there. He'd love to have seen you. Love to have seen our Italian connection. But we understand it's a long way to come from Italy. Meta, looking good. I told you it was the best value stock on the stock market. I sold, I made a lot of money from it. And as you can see, it's going up again. Look, 20% in the month. Phenomenal. It's way ahead of the stock market. 3 months we're up 2.92. If you remember, I sold it up here. End of October, I think it was. And down she goes, and then now we're going up again. It went as low as 88.91, and we're now at 136. I think you should sing Fly Me to the Moon. I certainly can sing Fly Me to the Moon, and we haven't got time, though, tonight to do an after-hours show. Otherwise, I would. But we could do one perhaps tomorrow night. It's been a while. In fact, Friday night. We always do a live show on Friday night. So tomorrow night, if anybody wants to request some songs, it's $10 super chat a song to cover copyright. I will do that. That meta bump was me and my friends during Quest 2 VR headsets for Christmas. There, brilliant, Chris. Thank you so much, Martin. I really appreciate it. Good stuff. All right. Okay, it's just gone half the hour, so here we go. It's time for a quick commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date, and let's have a quick commercial break. Haha, Chris, decent VR kits are a fortune, aren't they? Indeed. XRP. Have you seen our crypto XRP challenge? XRP, have you seen it? Anyway, we've got that coming up. We've got that running right now. 10x challenge. Have you seen the video all about it with Ali Tizro and his crypto tips? Awesome stuff. Anyway, see you back in just 10 seconds from now. So if you are a YouTuber and a sponsor, you can take one of these spaces, like Ali Tizro. He's one of our sponsors. I only take sponsors I get involved with. This is Ali Tizro, and he's now up to 25 followers, members of his Discord. This only was a handful a few days ago, so we're very, very proud of this. This is great, and he has set down the challenge. Now, in the chat right now, you can go directly to his premium server if you want to be in our 10x crypto challenge. Remember, I'm doing the $1,000 to $10,000. You could just do the $100 to 1,000 or $10 to 100. It's up to you. There it is. Now, if you are a YouTube member and you use my Discord server, you get to link to him, you get a 15% discount, which basically virtually makes my membership free. You can go direct. I've given you Ali's direct tip link, or you can go using my server. So that's what we're doing. That's one of our sponsors, Ali Tizro. That's the challenge. Very, very exciting stuff. All right. Okay. Okay, moving along now. We've got Netflix, just 25 minutes to go, or at least 25 minutes to go. The earnings will come out. The earnings call. I won't buy them, Chris. I won't buy them, Chris. The other half would somehow find some menial jobs for me there, says XRP. Hey, Martin, why aren't you buying space? Are you planning to reach 1,000 shares? I'm planning to reach 2,000 shares. But Alex, I keep saying this to you, and our channel has to be 100% honest and real. You keep coming in and you keep telling me that space is about to fly and there's good news tomorrow, and I keep saying become a member so I can verify your information. And however, I have done my own research, and I speak to people at Virgin Galactic every day on Twitter, and there is no imminent flight. That's why I'm expecting it to go down first. All right, so I can't. I'm not just gonna. Even though I get accused of it all the time, pumping stock, I do not pump anything. The reality is, it's not about to take off yet. We could get a pump in the price because people buy it, or we could get a dump because people short it, but there's no evidence at all of a flight imminent. If there was, I would know about it, and I don't. So, just telling you how we stand right now. I've got more money coming in on Saturday, $1,000 coming in on my portfolio on Saturday. I'll have another few $100 later in the week to add, and I am adding to my position, but at the moment, I'm waiting for it to go down. That is the truth of what's going on, not what we want it to believe or make up stories to pump and promote it. No, none of that stuff. Our show doesn't invite that in. All right, 20 minutes to go before the bell, and then, of course, we have got Netflix earnings. Now, even though I'm not an investor in Netflix, let me tell you the importance of it. The importance of Netflix is it's the first of the mega caps, and it's a tech stock, and this will indicate what people are doing with their money. And next week we have Tesla and all the other stuff. We are expecting bad earnings. The markets are banking on it. In fact, look how expectations has dropped. Expectations has dropped. So we could be in for one hell of a surprise if Netflix beats it, but no one thinks that these mega caps in the next few weeks. We've got Apple, we've got Tesla, all of them, Microsoft, Google. They don't expect a great earnings. So what we're going to get is next quarter, the summer, the earnings come down, and that's when we beat expectations, and that's when the bull market starts. You can't fight the Fed, you can't fight the system. You've just got to read it and understand it. But however, Netflix could surprise us and pull something out the bag. And if that happens, we could get not a bull market instantly, but we could get a bear market rally and a bit of excitement. So this will set the tone for next week. What do you think about the Riot platform? Know nothing about it, nor do I, Real Ray. Sod all. No idea about the Riot platform. Just a curiosity, when it's going to be a convention party anyway, you know, sometimes miracles. Yeah, it'll be in the summer. in a few months from now, 5-6 months from now, something like that. Hey, hang on, it's really important because it's if the subs are bad, it means the consumer is really worried about spending on discretionary items. Exactly. It'll tell us about the economy. People all cancelling their subscriptions. That's what it'll tell us. 22 is spot on. Hey Martin, I know the Stellar Foundation is involved in Ukraine. XLM is down for a long time now. Could be a good choice for crypto 10x challenge if things perk up with the conflict. XRPL token. If Ali Tizro was here, he'd answer that. I am having no input whatsoever into the choices of the crypto. It's not my field of expertise. I surround myself with experts, if you like. I have Chris in my camp for coding and developing our platform. I have all of you for the support of my channel. I have Ali for crypto knowledge. I have guys and girls for technical analysis. I have Ed Nevius for some specific chart information. My job is to assemble a great community. So I will be going to my heads of... Think of me as the president, right? And I have the president's men, all right? And if I want to know anything about coding, I go to Chris. If I want to know anything about crypto, I go to Ali. Understand how it works? I am just the I'm just the community that brings it all together. Okay, thank you very much, Ail. You're very welcome. Very welcome indeed. Okay, understood. So perhaps you want to influence and have a conversation with Ali via Discord or on here. So if you want to be on Discord, of course, here's our Discord. It's free, but would invite you as a member. Let me invite you as a YouTube member. There's the Discord, which is free. El Presidente, that's right. But it will be when we go to Mexico, right? Invite to join. Here's the invitation to join as a YouTube member. 95% of our live viewers are members. Okay, we have 149 members now, by the way. We did do a lot of membership gifting over the last few weeks. We've managed to hold most of them, though. If we keep above 90, which is where we were before, I'll be pleased. If we can go above 100, then we've grown another 10% in members. I do not expect all of those memberships, considering they were gifted, to remain. Some will, some won't. We hope the people will, but of course they might not. But anyway, we'll see. Need information on drones? I am your guy. That's right. Need information on drones? I've got Bill. There you go. And about the Chinese dynasty. Bill gives me information on the Chinese dynasty. All right. So I've got information, sources coming from left and right. Okay. 15 minutes to go. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. Let's look at the heat map. Let's see what's going on TikTok right now. Let's see who's doing their thing. Right, 5,500 likes. Go Bootsy. Bill is still number one as top fan on TikTok right now. Go Bootsy, says Ed Nevius. 7,000 likes. We're jumping up quickly. Everyone's tapping the screen like that. You can see we've got one share. Smash the share button down there as well. I have calls on Netflix, kind of nervous. I'd be nervous as well. That's why I don't own Netflix. I don't have any stress or nerves in my portfolio at all. Very confident with what I have, very happy with what I have. I do not own calls. I don't even do options trading. I don't even like options trading. I don't really believe in it. It's not for me. I'd rather own the piece of the pie and that's it. Not a contract to say I might buy it or a promise to buy it. Anyway, 7,500 now, or 7.1, beg your pardon. I fly drones too, says Real Ray. 22, tempted to buy some Netflix puts, but the implied volatility is so high, it could have to move 10% to make any money on the options. I'm not touching Netflix, I've got to be honest. There we go. Tweeted on TikTok. You tweeted TikTok. Hey, there we go. Did you use the Lucas A's or the Lucas Lupas hashtag? Anyway, Let's move along. Real Ray, have a conversation with Bill. Eat your drone, man. I've flown a drone over the Vegas Strip, over the Grand Canyon, off the back of a ship, all sorts. But your expert on drones is Bill. That's his life. That's what he does. Right. Let's have a quick look. Netflix is going down. Let's have a look where we are. What's being searched? Netflix is still our top thing right now. It's had 440 views in the last hour. Netflix earnings, and yeah, that's what everyone's talking about at the moment. Good. Right, are we up to 100 likes yet? Can I give some money away? 6,116 subscribers. We're not moved during this show yet. We will during the Netflix earnings, though. That's a fact. Nice and busy. Right, okay. Here we go. We want to get 100 likes so we can give away some money. We've got 31 watching right now. Only 20 likes. We're going to get 30 likes in 1 minute. Let's do it. Here we go. 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's zoom in. Chiggy, pow. Do you like me, Chris? Do you like my socks? Do you like the Martyn Lucas socks? Look at that. The mug, the iPhone case. Oh, check out the iPhone case. I've got to get myself one of them. I've got to order it just like you. Right, 20, 21. We should have at least 25, if not 30. Chiggy, pow. Said it. Chiggy, pow. Come on, smash the like button. If we get to 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize. And we'll give away the cash prize live during the show. All you got to do is get to 100 likes. How easy. There we go, 22%, 8 seconds to go. We got by the end of the show, so you got time. $22, moving on up. Oh yeah, but not there yet. So we'll come back to that shortly. Right, Netflix is still going down. In the next 15 minutes, we should get some information from Netflix. But now we're just coming up to the quarter to the hour. So it's time for our quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. If you are a YouTube member and a sponsor member, you can sponsor this space, 20 platforms a day. And there you go, 10 hours a day, $99 a month. Best value commercial on YouTube. Who can provide you with that? The number 22 appears in your channel all the time. That's because of you, right? 22. Right, let's go. We're up to 7.2 thousand likes on Calling in the Cavalry. Ed Nevius is calling the cavalry. Let me give everyone the TikTok link, Ed, to help you out. Ed says, "Come on, everybody! I want to get 20,000 likes, which is the record." Here we go. So that's a day of records. Well, that's coming up in February when we do the LSC day. There you go. There's the TikTok link. It's Martyn Lucas Investor on TikTok, and he's asking the team to jump into TikTok. Tap the screen like that with two. Is there a cash prize giveaway tomorrow? Yes, while prime time. There is every single Friday. I've never missed, never will. Cash prize every single Friday. Have you watched the video? Did you get the newsletter? Have you watched the video? Have you? It's in our newsletter. If you've not got the newsletter, you won't be in it. Did you open it? Did you watch the video? The likes have come flooding in now. 7,500 likes now. I have it. Excellent. Okay. Right. Well, we'll have the prize draw tomorrow. We have it every single Friday. Free to enter, free for all. Rules in the Discord server. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. And right after the show, of course, we've got the Netflix earnings. There is the Netflix earnings. Hello, everyone. You just missed your commercial break. Ali Tizro, 15 minutes ago, we talked about you. And anyway, talking about Ali Tizro, by the way, one of our sponsors. Did you see the videos that came out for you this afternoon? We had the Netflix earnings. We had the 10 times crypto challenge. with the arrival warning. That promoted the crypto challenge at the end of that. And there you go. Leave a comment, share it, get involved. Anyway. Hey, Ali, how much XRP? Right. Ali Tizro. XRP wanted to talk to you, Ali. He was interested in your portfolio, the Ali Tizro challenge. So there it is. You've got someone interested there. Bill, you impress me. There you go. Hey, Ali. Hey, guys. Caden Youngquist is here as well. Caden, are you following along with our crypto challenge? What do you think about it, Caden Youngquist? Oh, Caden. I keep trying to help you. I don't know why yet you're not still on LSC. Look, LSC's running right here, right now. You can be running on LSC at every video. Do you know when you're not live, Caden, you can have, let me show you, look, on Live Streamer Cafe, you can have your channel running playlists 24 hours a day. You see all these orange spots right now? These are the people. Look, see, look, I've got a YouTube video running right now, gaining me subscribers, gaining me watch time right now. Look, there is, look. I even have comments of people watching. Look, there's my Christmas concert. Look, people watching, leaving comments, becoming fans and everything else. Right, 24 hours a day. You can have this. I don't know why you're not doing it. Anyway, and on top of that, we've now got a mail service. See this mail? You can message your fans directly. You can send messages like Facebook Messenger. It's better than Facebook though, right? You can talk to your fans. They get a little notification. You can talk to your fellow artists. It's absolutely phenomenal. We know that this is going to be so cool. And to promote your channel, you can have your very own compliment. Bill's got one. If you are a member on our channel as well, you can send other artists your compliments or other fans your compliments, and it'll be Caden Youngquist, Investor of the Year or whatever. There we go, look. There we go. Ale has just put that in the chat, look. Martyn Lucas, do you see that? Did you see that then? Just popped up. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. And it's searchable. And we've got our big event coming up in just 3 weeks' time when we're going to promote this to the world, and we're going to have artists stream 24 hours a day. I'm going to be on it like a 24-hour stream. It's a massive event happening, and if you're not on it that day, you're going to miss out on all of the growth that could be achieved. Okay? It's going to be great. Anyway, trying to help. I want everyone to do well. That's why we built it. There you go. There's Ale. You can tip artists directly. There you go. Straight in, and they get all the tips and everything. That's another way you can earn money. It's another revenue stream. And lovely to see Ale and Paddy over there. Anyway, 7 minutes to go. The S&P's come back down again. Netflix. Be very, very careful tonight. What do we reckon? Are they going to miss on earnings? Should I sell my BSV and Ripple while prime time? Well, BSV is no longer supported on Robinhood, so I sold all mine. Not because I don't think BSV's got a great technology. It's got a great technology, but I can't promote or talk about stocks and shares and assets I can't share and aren't supported. That would just be irresponsible. I'm getting licensed to be a broker. Caden Youngquist, I'm getting licensed to be a broker. Wow. You're 18 years of age and you're getting licensed to be a broker. I am impressed. I'm interning at an investment firm now. Fantastic. Oh, we got some other, I missed it. Do that again, Ale. Ale, do that again on Live Streamer Cafe. I missed it. Do that again. I want to share that. Do that again. I missed it. We had some fireworks a moment ago. Anyway, MOC imbalance 22. We are looking also on LSE. I see that. I'm going to an away night, and I bought 2 shifts. One of them was really flash paisley, but I sent back because my wife said I looked like Martyn the Entertainer. Like Martyn. Oh, hello, Leah. Hey, Leah. Welcome to Leah L. Let me put it on the screen. We got a new guest here, Leah. Wonderful to see you over there, Leah, over on LSC. You are being seen now by 20 platforms at the same time. Multiple websites, Facebook, Livestreamer Cafe, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch. Leah, it's wonderful to have you here. I'm live on my YouTube show right now. Wonderful to have you here. Check out the messages, and coming up in a couple of weeks' time, we've got a 24-hour promotion day. We're going to get everybody on at the same time. And send me a message, and I'll put it on the screen for you. Ale and Patricia, you can have your very own. There goes Netflix. Look. There goes Netflix. Ale and Patricia, you can have your very own compliments if you become a member. All right? If you become a member, you can have all of that. It's a great investment for all our members here. Ali Tizro is sharing his Discord channel. Thank you very much, Ali. Awesome. Let's go. In a year from now, my investors are going to go, I wish we'd invested in Livestreamer Cafe at the beginning. Think of it like Facebook or YouTube at the beginning. That's what we've created. Anyway, don't say I didn't tell you. Netflix going down. 3 minutes to go. There will be some news from Netflix very shortly, but we are doing the earnings. This is the earnings. Great seeing people now start to fill up on LSC. Here is the Netflix earnings tonight. We're going to cover it. This is the stock price, and this is the chart. We're all ready to go, and we're going to stream the live event. If you want to just tune in, it's a night to chill out, relax. I don't speak. I can talk to you in the chat. We can have a nice little social and just listen in to the Netflix earnings. Okay, that comes up very, very soon. Exciting, right? I say so. All right, here we go. 2 minutes to go. The overall markets are down. We're up to 13,000 now likes on TikTok. Very, very nice indeed. Ed's going for a record. Here we go, says Robert Rose. Are you inviting investors? And what's the valuation? Yes, we are inviting investors. This is pre-revenue. Well, in fact, we do have revenue. We do have revenue now. We have people can stream for free, 22. We also have bronze, silver, and gold levels, $1, $2, and $3 a month. And streamers can pay for perks if they want to, and so can the fans if they want to message internally and have their own. If they want to have their own. They want to be able to chat, they want to be able to have their own compliments, they can also subscribe. So, yes, it's going to be phenomenal. I'm telling you, you're looking at something that's better than Facebook and YouTube for live streamers, and we built it, we own it, and, remember the day I told you about it. This portfolio is looking dire. Is it, Robert Rose? I don't think so. Maybe worth redistributing your wealth. Robert Rose, I'm very, very happy with my portfolio. Very happy indeed. I've got no concerns at all. I've got no fear. I've got no stress. I am doubling up. I am buying cheaper stocks all the time. My portfolio is holding up. I am not concerned whatsoever. I'm now putting in. I'm now maxing out my Roth IRA. There's my overall position, and here is my look. 36,442 with my Roth. I only started my Roth a few days ago. 2 weeks ago, whatever. And as you can see, I'm up to already 2,380. I'm going to max that out to 7,000. I'm going to max out the 2023 one as well. So I don't see how my portfolio is dire. I've got no loans, no margins, no mortgage, no car loan. We're growing every day. We're going about 200 subscribers, supporters on TikTok every day. We're going about 50 to 100 subscribers every day on YouTube. The channel is growing. My portfolio, I'm buying cheaper and cheaper stocks all the time. I am not at all worried about my portfolio. I'm glad you're worried for me, but I feel absolutely fine. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. We're about to ring the bell, and let's do it right now. Come on, let's ring the bell. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're in the after hours. Here we go. I found out that CBDW is and where it came from. I'm glad you found that out. 23rd and 24th, Matt D. What is that? Matt D, what's the 23rd and 24th? Space are flying next week. There's no verification of that. Matt D is not a member of our channel. We get people saying all sorts. Matt D, if you are a YouTube member, I can verify your information. You can share the links on Discord. I talk to people every day on Discord, on Virgin Galactic. People actually work there, and there is no flight confirmed. There may be a rumor that you've heard of that I haven't heard of, but I'm not interested in rumors and people making up stories. We have people on here trying to short the stock. We have people trying to promote the stock, and I will not do it on my show. If you can be a member of our channel, and here's the invitation to join, you can share your information on Discord. You can share your sources. I will make a video on it. I'll buy more shares. I will promote it, but I'm only prepared to promote facts, not hearsay and rubbish that somebody read on Reddit that was made up by a keyboard warrior. I'm not interested in that at all. If you are right, share with me and I will post it. But as someone who ranks number 1 for SPC stock on Virgin, on Google, on YouTube, on the YouTube search term, and speaking to people at Virgin Galactic, I can't say that is true at all. Do you have a fact sheet or some literature for investors to look at? At the moment, no, 22. We've just built the platform and we are just looking at it. Matt D, what's your source? Yes, I'm asking him. I've got lots of people every day who come in and say stuff like that, and they never give sources. They never become members. They never call into the show. This is the most open, honest platform. You can call in and tell me anything. But if you're not even going to call in to verify, you might as well, what's the point of saying it? Netflix is up 7%. There you go, 8%. That means, I don't know what that means. Let's have a look. We've got the earnings. It's not been given yet on Robinhood. Let me refresh the screen. Netflix is up nearly 8%. This could drop as fast as you like, though. Be very careful. We do have the earnings coming out on the earnings later, and I will be covering it live. Let's have a look. There is no information yet. Stereo Martin in our house. Is there any way to support your entertainment channel? Yes, there is. Real Ray. Become a bronze, silver, or gold member of Live Streamer Cafe. You could have your own compliments. You can be involved in the channel and everything. Yes. Why would you not? Let me give you the link to LSC right now, where I am right now. Okay, this is me right now. And you've got the creator, Chris Marantet, my business partner, is there live right now. And he'll talk to you. Ray, there's the link. That's to my lounge right now. Go in there now. All you got to do is sign up as an artist or as a fan. You can do either. Verify your email. It will send you an email, of course. Verify it and you'll be in. And I'll wait for you and welcome you in. So come on in and meet Ale and Christopher and Paddy. They're in there right now. There you go. And when you watch me here, if you tip me here, I get all the money. There's no deduction. You're still watching me on YouTube. You're still watching YouTube, except you can tip me directly. And you've got all these compliments, see? All these wonderful compliments. And you can add your very own compliments as well. So it's better than YouTube. All right, look, see? All right, anyway, I'll welcome you over there in a second. That means I don't know. That means I don't know what that means. 22. No, it doesn't mean that at all. I know exactly what you mean by an investment portfolio, and exactly what you're talking about as far as investors investing in the company are concerned. It's not I don't know. We've not done it. We're just building the platform and showing you right now. That's all we're doing. Yeah. From Ale, thank you so much indeed. You'll see Real Ray in a second. He'll pop in and say hello. Netflix founder Reed Hastings gives up on CEO title and will be the company's executive chairman, says 22. Have we got any updated information yet? No. Who still invest in this? Netflix. I agree with you, Martyn. No, Martyn, I was quoting you when you looked at... Oh, Netflix moving. Oh, I see. I beg your pardon. That means I don't know what that means. I'm not sure what you're saying. No, he was joking about, I know, I don't know. I know, I don't know. Oh, okay, I must have said something a moment ago. Everyone's thinking it's funny, and I can't even remember. I got what you meant, 22. Good. Evening all, nudge it, budget, move it. Oh, nudge it, budget, move it. I can't believe this. Again, I've been contacted today by somebody who wants your website's services. Nudge it, budget, move it was a sponsor on our channel for a few months. And he sponsored our channel for a few months. And then he stopped. And like I said to him at the time, our YouTube videos exist forever on YouTube. And people, even if you stop being a sponsor, there are videos out there in the past. They don't get as watched as much as the new ones, but they still get watched. And I keep getting people saying, nudge it, budget, move it. Is he building websites? And he says, I'm not doing it anymore. Maybe you should. Can you not do it in your spare time? Lots of people trying to hire your services. Anyway, just letting you know, passing the information on. I still haven't had a chance to call you back, and I apologise for that. Just can't get round to everybody. Can you become a fan and then artist later? My wife sings. I used to. Real Ray, you don't have to be a singer. You could go on there as an artist. Just set up an artist account. Still be a fan. Right? Still be a fan, and you can go on and talk. You know, you do your TikTok channel. You can just talk. It's not just for singers. It's for artists, poets. Look, I'm on there now. I'm not singing, right? We have dancers, poets, storytellers. You've got a wonderful gift as a storyteller. You could be on there doing stories, and people could be watching you, following you, searching for you, sending you messages, sending you tips, all that stuff. So there you go. Sign up as an artist then. And then just become a gold member. It's only $3, and then you'll be right at the top. I made 4,000 last year. It's not worth building them anymore. Okay, fair enough. Nudge it. The content of Netflix is rubbish too. I like Netflix. I'm a customer, just not an investor. Love trading Netflix at earnings. 15,000 likes on TikTok. My fingers hurt, Bootsy. Yes, 15,000 likes on TikTok. Ed Nevius wants to go live together. So Ed Nevius wants to go live with me on TikTok. All right, then. Let's see if he accepts it. He's requested going live with me. There you go. Let's see if he accepts. Let's see what happens. I'm the collector, win of the show. Yes, you are. Do you want a prize? That's Ayo's doing very well. I'm waiting to see LSC is better than Netflix. It is. It is. We've got our big event day in a couple of weeks' time coming up. 24-hour stream thing. It's going to be very, very exciting. Sorry about the lighting on Netflix, on TikTok. It's awful. Oh, Ed Nevius is live on... Look at this. Ed Nevius is live on TikTok. There he is. Remember, we can't do the audio, but there he is. Give us a wave, Ed. There he is. Look, can you see him? In about 10 seconds, you'll see him on the screen. There's Ed Nevius. For those of you that follow Ed Nevius' tips and wonder what he looks like, that's what he looks like. What a great chap he is. We can't hear him, but there he is. Your resident is saying hello. There you go. How wonderful. He's popped in to say hello. He's tapping the screen. He's doing all the good stuff. I've no idea what you're saying. Tap, 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 tap. Yes, 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 yes. We're at 14,000 likes. Can I tap your screen? Ed Nevius. Yeah, I can. I can tap his screen. I'm a little bit busy, Ed. All right, let's get back to it. Brilliant. I think Ed was saying, tap on my screen, you bugger. I think he was. I'm not 100% certain. Anyway, anyway, lovely to have Ed Nevius pop in there. And there is Ali Tizro as well. Right, Virgin Orbit. Oh, nearly at 150. I love it. That's what we want. Let's have a little look. You see what I mean, guys? There were 2 people today who were posting information about Virgin Galactic. Both were saying, it's going up, it's brilliant, it's going to fly next week. Not one became a member, not one verified the information, not one. This is what happens, folks. Be very, very careful about people coming on telling you everything's going to be brilliant in 5 minutes. They can have a voice and express it but they don't. They just come on and take a cheap shot to try to influence stocks, but it doesn't work. The only person who can influence stocks is me. If people come on and talk rubbish, I will notice it in a second. I invite everyone to come on and be a part of it. But if they don't do it and they don't verify themselves, their voice gets lost. We should do a video together for TikTok about crypto. We could do that, Ali. Call in on Discord and we'll make an upright video, a portrait video. I'll put you on top. You know what I mean? Me and, you know what I'm saying? I'll design a template for that. All right? Anyway, it's day trader of the day. Real Ray hasn't come in yet. We're still waiting. We should do a video together. We will. For those of you that are getting a bad experience tonight on TikTok, I apologize for that. That's just the way the lighting is. It's on my phone, unfortunately. That's the way it works. If you want a better experience, you need to be on YouTube. Okay, Netflix misses on earnings but blows away estimates on subscribers. Okay, let's have a look. Thank you, 22. I've still not got it on 22. Where do you get the information from for earnings that report so early? Because Robinhood doesn't supply it. And obviously that's what I'm using. Now, you helped me with the economics calendar. Do you have is there anywhere? Oh, I've got it here now. Estimated 44 a share and actual was 12 cents a share. Netflix misses. There we go. Netflix misses on earnings. This will set the tone. This is what we wanted. This will set the tone for the next few weeks on the markets. We knew this was expected. I made the announcement earlier that we're gonna miss on earnings. I'm expecting it across the board. Tesla might be the exception, but that is a disaster. 44 estimate, and it's already lowered. And it went down to 12 cents a share. I just purchased more Lucas. I got 30,000 shares. Let's do a video, Cam, and I can show you, Mr. Lucas. You can, yes, if you want to do a video, you can call in on Discord. You can call in and show me. We can make a video on it. Sets the tone. Yes, it does. I've announced it all day long. This sets the tone for the next few weeks. Discord, there it is for you. Paddy, thanks for becoming a fan of the Investor Channel. Thank you much indeed. Apologize for TikTok's quality tonight. It's on my phone and it's not working very well. There we go. So they missed. And down she goes. This is why I didn't buy it, why I said it was a pump and dump, and there we go. Disastrous. This will set the tone. And this is why I've got all these buys ready to be deployed much lower down. And right, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to end TikTok. I'm going to end TikTok right now because I don't like the way that TikTok is performing. It's through my phone and it's flaring out all the time. So if you want to join me, come over to YouTube right now. I'm going to give you 1 minute to come to YouTube and I'm going to end our TikTok stream right now. I'm not happy with the way every time I turn around, it's going insanely ridiculous. I don't like it. So in 1 minute from now, I'm going to end TikTok. It's fine. It's not. It's fine now. But when I turn my face like that, it all goes white and flares out. You ready? It's all right. There you go. See? It's all flaring out again. I don't like it. It looks absolutely unprofessional and ridiculous. So I'm going to end it right now. Fingers sore. Thanks for the promotion, but I'm going to end it on TikTok. All right? Come back to YouTube in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's rubbish. I can't be having rubbish. All right? See you in a bit. No, please. Please. Ed's gone, no, please don't do that. I'm trying to get to 20,000. All right, Ed, you talked me into it. Bloody hell. What can I say? What can I say? Right, here we go. Netflix. If they aren't spending or streaming, then won't spending on lots of other things. That's right. Back now. Stephen Lewandowski, you just sent the right compliment. Just send the right compliment, Martin. There you go. Liquidity, grab the dump. Textbook, we always see it before a dump. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Every single time. No, Netflix doesn't set the tone, but people seem to think 2023 will be a good year for these companies. I think it does. I think it says that people haven't got money to spend. Netflix is the first of our big market caps. It's the first of our tech stocks. I think it does. But then that's only my opinion. What do I know? What do I know? All right. Hip hip hooray. I've got some great compliments coming in from LSC. Where's Real Ray? He's not there yet. I'm waiting for him. He's missing all the action. He's missing all the action. Anyway, so we'll keep our eye on it. See, lens flare again. See what I mean? My face doesn't look like that, does it? Maybe it's just the angle, Martin. That makes the picture straight. I know. I can't change the angle because bloody TikTok has to be on your phone. I can't stream professionally. I have to have my phone look at a TV screen. That's not the right way of doing things, but that's the only way I can do it. TikTok is so amateurish, and I have to abide. I'm not lowering my YouTube standards to TikTok Chinese standards. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it, see? Right. Where was I? Forgetting what's going down. Netflix, we had it's just missed on earnings. Anyway. Let's Stephen Lewandowski, I think it was Stephen. You became a fan of my Martyn Lucas channel on LSC, not my. Right, I'm ending it. I don't care what you say, Ed. It's rubbish. I'm ending it. Sorry about this. I'll see you back on YouTube. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's rubbish. I'm ending it. He says, no, don't do it. I said, no, sod it. I'm doing it. I don't like it. Okay. If we can't do things properly, we don't do them at all. If something's worth doing, it's worth doing right. And YouTube, TikTok do not allow me to stream professionally, and I'm tired of the phone situation. Anyway, just send the right compliment. Where are we going? Right, let me check a few things. 18,000 likes, nearly. Yeah, we nearly did it. I'll count that as a win. But I don't like it doing that. Right, let's have a look. How many likes we got? Are we giving away a star prize yet? Are we giving away a cash prize? Let's have a look. Only 27 likes. No, I can't give any money away. Sorry. If we get 100 likes, I can give away a star prize. But if we get 100 likes, I can give away a star. If we get 100 likes, I can give away a star. Right. Likes, I can give away. There we go. I'm in there, Martin. Okay, are you in there? Where are you then? Let me come over and have a look. Let me have a look. You're not in the show. No, you're not. Martin. No, you're not. Where are you? Martyn Lucas Investor. Why aren't you in there? Look, I can see you. I can see you're not in there, look. See, you're not in there. See, there we are. We're all waiting for you. There's Chris, there's Ale, there's Paddy, there's me. You're not in there. Are you in my Martyn Lucas one, not the Martyn Lucas Investor? This is the Martyn Lucas Investor channel, not the singing channel. Pop on in. Come and say hello. I'll come back when you come on in. Telling me I'm there. What's going on? I can bloody see when you're there. Damn tapped over an hour. We were there in 10 minutes. Ray's just logged in. There he is. Look, Real Ray. Hey! Real Ray, he's done it. Real Ray, he's on the screen. There he is, Real Ray. Did you become a bronze, silver, or gold member? Get all the perks and benefits. What did you become? There he is. Look, Real Ray. Real Ray. I can message him now and all sorts. Anyway, lovely stuff. Brilliant. Do you like it? Anyway, can we get this phone call? Yes. Are you in Discord then? I gave you can't phone in by a phone call, but through Discord you can. Right, Mohammed Kahine. You can call in through Discord. Here is the Discord link. It takes a few minutes to get into Discord to pass our security levels. There is Discord. I'm waiting for you. I am looking now in the broadcast lounge. There is the broadcast lounge. Once you are a YouTube member, which you are, I can upgrade you on Discord and you can see this and you can call in via video or by phone call right here. This is what you need, and you can call in and you can tell me all about your Lucid shares and everything else you want to tell me about, all right? But we're waiting to see you right now. Okay? Yes, the SEC seem to prefer to go to trial. The SEC, says Ali Tizro. So I'm just waiting for you to come in there, all right? You can't just phone me up on the phone. Nobody would hear you, right? Pointless. Anyway, I'll wait to see. How can we get this phone call? There you go. I just explained it. I hope that all makes sense. I'll give you the Discord again. Call on in. If anybody goes into the welcome all, you need to go to the welcome all screen first so I can welcome you in. That way I can upgrade your account. So welcome all is here. If you come into Discord, you will appear here in the welcome all screen, right? You'll be the next. You can say, hello, I am Mohammed Kahine. I will verify it's you here in the welcome all channel. And if you scroll up, there's the welcome all chat. You will see that, and I will upgrade you. And a number of my guys and girls will be in there to welcome you in, I'm sure, so we can upgrade you. Mohammed Kahine is a gold member, soon to become an investor level, a platinum member, I believe. So anyway, all right. So we're watching the position right now. The earnings call for Netflix is coming up shortly. We'll wait to see if Mohammed Kahine will come on in. If he comes on in, we'll upgrade him. I'll have to get cash on the side waiting for Ripple to IPO. It's been getting dusty for some time, says XRPL token. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Tesla, getting a bit of a slow computer at the moment. Things aren't reacting very well. Tesla. I don't see Mohammed Kahine in the stream yet. When he does come in, we will load him up. You can buy those shares through Uphold if you are a verified investor. SEC needs to get rid of Gary, says Ali Tizro. Let's look at Netflix. It's holding up, actually, quite well, considering. I actually thought it would be a lot worse than that, but there you go. Anyway, let's have a look. We've got 29 likes. If we get 100 likes, we'll give away a cash giveaway in the show. It's not there yet. Tomorrow morning, it's Friday. Cash giveaway. Every Friday morning we do it. Tomorrow morning we're doing that. So that's free to enter, free for all. And everyone can be in that tomorrow. We're doing the Netflix earnings very, very soon. Here is Netflix. We're covering that in a minute live on the show. Real Ray has disappeared from the chat. I wonder where he's going. I wonder if he's wandering around the show, wandering around the channel, probably updating his portfolio profile, I'd imagine. Okay, Netflix is holding up. I'm not investing in it, not a company that keeps losing money, because it's at the moment, it just shows you that people can't afford it. I would cancel it, honestly. But my wife likes Netflix. I wouldn't pay for it. I'd save the money. Quite honestly. So that's just my view. This is the chart for Netflix, if you're interested, right here. This is what it looks like. Yeah, same with me. I'll keep buying XRP so I can take profits and invest in the company, says Ali Tizro. Netflix. You can see that's where we'll be very soon. I kept offering you my media server better than Netflix, but you said no. I ain't got time. I ain't got time. And I forgot about that. You're right, you did. I haven't got time, Chris. Honestly. I ain't got time. In the evening, I watch Coronation Street, the news, and fall asleep. I mean, you know, I ain't got time for any more TV. I make my own TV. That's what I do. I make my own TV. How about that? I make my own telly. Okay? Right. Now then. I will wait and hope for a sell-off when it lists and hope to catch the bottom, says XRPL token. Right then. We're going to end our show right now and get ready for Netflix. We are back very, very soon. This show will take you directly to it. You can be there and join us. Yeah, but Leah could use it and could save some money. I know. But Leah is set in her ways. She likes what she likes. You know how it is, Chris. It's like people on YouTube are on YouTube, people on Facebook. You know how it goes. You know how it goes, Chris. You know how it goes. Netflix. Virgin Galactic. Mohammed Kahine. So, Mohammed said he wanted to call in. Where is he? Did he get into the welcome all screen? Let's have a look. Mohammed Kahine, I offered an opportunity to call in. I don't see you in the chat. I don't see you in the welcome all. I'm looking around. I did. Where do I go now? Okay. This is Discord. Are you in my channel? Obviously, I don't know who you are. You've probably got a different name. Come into the Welcome All channel here. At the side, the public channel. You can see this. I need to upgrade you so you can access the broadcast phone-in lounge. Welcome All. Come into this channel here. And at the bottom, just say hello. And I will confirm it's you on the screen. So just go into the Welcome All there and say hello. I'm waiting for you. It does take 10 minutes to come in if you've not used Discord before, because we have the highest level of security. All right? So make sure we don't get bots and scammers and idiots and stuff like that. So come on in there into the Welcome All. I'm waiting for you. If any of my Discorders could jump into Discord, please. Oh, Ali Tizro. There you go, Ali's. There you go. Hello. There you go, Ali Tizro. Thank you very much indeed for that. That's where you will be. We're waiting to see you come in. Bootsy is coming in. There you go. Everyone's welcoming you in, Mohammed. They're all jumping in to welcome you in. You can be live on the show, and you are a gold member, so you can have your own server as well if you want it. You just got to request it. And I think Church has requested his own server. I've got to make that for Church. I'm here now. How do I message? You just go into the Welcome All screen. Welcome All. And just go into, see, Welcome All on the down the left-hand side. Welcome All. And just go into there, look. Message. Say hello, and I will confirm it's you. All right? Look, everyone's coming in. Message here, Ali Tizro. Everyone's telling you what to do, where to go. Hi all. Look, everyone's trying to help you. Come into the Welcome All. There's the Welcome All. You might not be allowed on the server yet. As I say, it takes 10 minutes. I don't even know what your name is. There's a few people in here I don't recognize. Until you come on in and say hello. Okay, it says it won't let me in 2 more minutes. There you go. That explains it. Be patient. That's what you're telling me to be patient. Can we watch the XRP video on my Discord server? Not right now, we can't. Anthony Mallion says, boo. It's also up to Martin, Ed Nevius. What's up to me? Not this Friday, but next Friday, if anyone wants, the cash giveaway will add 2 hours one-on-one charts, candles, risk management, fundamentals, FinViz, or whatever. Ed Nevius, message me and I will have a conversation with you about that. That sounds interesting. I have to consider all my other sponsors and what goes on the channel now. We've got more and more things happening. So have a conversation with me. Sounds a wonderful gesture. Thank you very much for offering it. And send me a message and we can discuss it. Stephen Lewandowski. It's a Twilight Zone. I love it. And Anthony Mallion, I haven't forgot. I will do your video at the end of earnings tonight. All right? Sounds good, Ed. Bootsy likes it. Okay, will do. Thank you very much indeed. We're waiting for Mr. Mohammed Kahine. You have to be quick, though, because we've got Netflix earnings coming up. Those candles are haunting me. Oh, I can't sleep at night. I can't sleep at night for the candles. Yeah, I know what you feel like. Hey, we've got quite a family now. Look, we've got Ale, Paddy, Mike. Mike, if you become a member on LSC, you can get your own compliments and message everybody and stuff like that. Hey, Mike, lovely to welcome you in. Look at that. We're getting quite a little family now. Have you all clicked become a fan at the top? Are you all fans? Have you all followed? So you get my little messages. Oh, there we go. You want a message, right? Everybody wants a message. Right. This could be, okay, I'm here. So, Mohammed Makine, here we go. Is this you? I have to confirm it's you in YouTube. Is this you? Mo Money 1980. Is that you? Just say in YouTube, that is you. If you say that is you, I will upgrade you. Just say that's you, and we're waiting for you to confirm it's you on YouTube. Yes, it is. The first thing we have to do is we have to give you a nickname which matches up your nickname here on YouTube. So it's a money channel. We have to know it's you. Mohammed Kahine. Okay, that's how everybody knows it's you. Okay, and now we've done that, I click on you again, and I give you a role. I give you a role as owner. No, YouTube member. There you go. You are now a YouTube member. So now you can see all of these channels down the outside. You can now see Moose's tips, Ali's tips. If you want to go in there and get a 15% discount to his server, you can. Ed Nevius's tips every morning. But down the bottom, you can see the broadcast lounge. You can now go into the broadcast lounge and call into the show. It looks like then, folks, we're about to get a call in from Mohammed Kahine for the very first time live on the show. We never know what's going to happen on the first time. There he is. I'm going to go into the broadcast lounge. You can be on camera or just video or just audio. The choice is yours. It looks like he's coming in via audio. So we're now going to welcome, unmute yourself, Mohammed. Unmute yourself. Okay. You need to unmute your microphone, set your microphone up, and you'll be live on the show. Once you've unmuted it, you'll be live on the show, and I will keep my eye on you. The moment you've unmuted, I will bring you in. There you go. Ali, love your pivot points. I like trading with pivot points for long-term positions. So we're waiting for Mohammed to unmute himself, and you'll be able to call into the show. Love what you do in the low time frame as well. I'm in the dressing room, out, as you might say, Martin, in my house coat. Right. So Mohammed, unmute yourself. You're muted at the moment. I can't bring you in until you unmute yourself. Okay, just waiting for you to unmute yourself in the broadcast lounge. What do I do? Mohammed, this is you. Look, your microphone is muted. You haven't turned your microphone on or muted your microphone or what have you. All right? I can't unmute you. It's for you to do. You've got to turn your microphone on and unmute yourself. It's in your audio settings. Okay? I'm just waiting for you to do it. See, I haven't muted you. I can't turn your microphone on. That's down to you. But congratulations, you're nearly there. That's the last thing to do. Do that and you're in the show. Okay? I'll have to wait for you, but we'll have to get off soon. Okay? I'm going to give you the chance to unmute your microphone. And I can't do it for you. Let me check my position. Let me have a quick look on LSC. And we've got Mike, Ale, Christopher, Paddy. Wonderful stuff. And I'll come back to Mohammed in a few moments. And let's have a quick look. We've got 139 through the show, 146 through the show, 6,116 subscribers. I haven't figured it out yet either, Mohammed. LSC is the place to be, says Ale. Wonderful stuff. There you are on the screen. Welcome to all of you. Hey, be right back, y'all, says Christopher. Hey. Let me go back to Discord and see if Mohammed... No, his microphone is still muted, which means he hasn't turned on his microphone yet. It's in his settings. I can't do it for him. Maybe I can be a guest to your show. Yes, would love that. Let's see how many likes that we got. Ali, can you just pop into Discord? Make sure that Discord is working perfectly. Can you go into the broadcast lounge, or anybody actually? If anyone could go into the broadcast lounge for me, just to see your microphone unmuted. There is no problem, but I just like to see it. If Ali, just pop into Discord, into the broadcast lounge. If I can see you with no muted mic, there you go, Ali. There you go. See, Mohammed, it's working perfectly. Ali Tizro turned his microphone on. See it? You've got to do the same thing. You're muted and he is not. See there, look. There's Ali. Look, Ali's got his mic on there, and now he's turned it off. Look at that. See that? Ali turned it on and turned it off. So, Mohammed, you need to do the same thing. Until you do that, I can't hear from you, okay? Okay, thank you, Ali, for doing that. Mohammed has left. It looks like he'll try and come back in again. Probably the best thing to do, actually. Right then. We are just a few minutes to go. It won't let me unmute. Come back in again. It's probably because you wasn't a member. Now you are. Come back in again now, Mohammed. There's no reason at all why it won't let you do that. You have a role of member. You may not have allowed your microphone to work. Or Martin, do you have a quick minute after the show? No, because we're going straight into the Netflix earnings. I have a minute after the Netflix earnings, but not until. Sorry, Mohammed. It's also maybe you've just become a member and I am clicking on the microphone. It won't let unmute because maybe you don't have a microphone enabled. Maybe you've not turned on the microphone. You've got to turn on the microphone for it to be unmuted. If there is anybody who can help Mohammed, who can speak to him and suggest things that you've been through, check permissions in phone settings. Exactly. It's impossible for me to help any further than I am while running the show. So I'm surprised Netflix has gone up. I'm surprised. It missed on earnings. It did well on subs, but I'm not sure I'd want to buy that. I'm keeping my eye on you, Mohammed. If the moment you unmute, I will go to you. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, up in the after hours, Lucid. There's my Lucid position. Watching Mohammed every few seconds to make sure he's not unmuted or he's muted or whatever. Apple, Amazon, up in the after hours. It's only after hours trading tomorrow will be different. Sorry, I think. It's only after hours trading tomorrow will be different. Have we had an ad this show? I joined late. Yes. We have. We've had you. We've had an ad, and we've talked about your project several times. The time to get in Tesla is now, says Arnold the Palmer. Arnold the Palmer is another unverified user. It's not a member. Doesn't verify information. Doesn't send it on Discord again. So I like to always clarify that people that tell you to buy stocks who aren't verified, who don't provide their information, don't contribute on the Discord server, we cannot verify what they say. So just Arnold knows that. Google. Mohammed Kahine still can't unmute his microphone, sadly. Don't know why. No, thanks, Arnold. Wouldn't touch it with yours, says 22. Walmart. Bitcoin. This is our Lucid position. This is what Mohammed's talking about tonight. The reason Martin says not verified is because they can send any sources on Discord. For example, also we trust our members area. Absolutely. If you are a member, of course, then you are not a bot because you verified yourself with a credit card. You know, it's a couple of bucks a month. Anyone who wants to call into the show and be part of it, who's buying stocks and shares, can afford $2 a month. Otherwise, how would you even invest? How would you even have a brokerage account? All right. So anyone who is genuine and real can be a member to our channel. It's only $2 a month. Number one. Number two, if you're a YouTube member, not only do we know that you are an adult with a credit card and an address and a real person, not a bot, also you can then send in links onto Discord, for example, web links or sources of information, and you have an MBA. I can say I'm an astronaut. It doesn't mean anything. Okay, I'm sure you have an MBA and you have a golden cup from the Queen. It doesn't matter. We get people say everything every day, and that's why we have 95% of our live viewers are members, because they want to be part of it. They want to be verified. They want to leave messages and call in and share links, because at the end of the day, we're all investors. Anyone here that can't afford $2 a month, in my book, really probably isn't a real person. Let's be honest, because it's $2 a month to call in, have your say, get all the perks, share links, be in the show. I mean, why on earth wouldn't you? Other YouTube channels, you pay $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 a month to be members, and all you get is a badge. That's it. Like a lot of the other YouTube channels, you just get a badge. You can't call in, you can't be on the show, you can't have your content presented. Well, if that's too much, then perhaps you are a bot and maybe a, 5-year-old kid. No one knows. That's why we have it. That's why it's there. I'm the best unverified link you got. Well, you can say that, but no one knows that, right? Join good investment family here. Yes, I think you've made a good astronaut. You will get... Mohammed went out. I thought he'd verified then for a moment. He might need to just log out and log back in again. Now he's a verified user. That's all it might be. That's all it might be. Now he's a member. He might need to log out and back in again. I don't know. Okay, we're going to give it another couple of minutes and then we're going to end the show. So let's do day trader of the day while I'm waiting for Mohammed to sort his microphone. We're down 0.83. Can you send the link again? Well, you're already in. So I'll give you the link again. You don't need it. You've already joined our Discord. But there it is. I'll give you the link again. But you shouldn't need it. You're already in. But anyway, there you go. Sign back in again and pop in. And we'll see if it works. Right. Okay. Let's do... only if Mike gifts me. Well, that's a reason, Arnold, why you've never won the membership. Because you might not even be a verified user on YouTube. We've given away like 50 memberships on our show, and you've never won one because it only picks people who are verified on YouTube. So that in itself suggests that you might be underage or you might not be who you say you are. All right? So I'm just making that point. You've never won one, and we've given away plenty. I've joined your entertainment channel now. I don't lurk. When I join this, I get my words in, says Arnold. Yeah. Okay, let me go back to LSC a minute. Yes, Real Ray, I was talking to you. I know you're in, and I was talking to you on LSC. I've never won one either. 22, it's because you can't accept gifts. That's why, because you can't be a member. You live in Guernsey. We've already established that. We know that for a fact. Anyway, let me get back to here a minute. Okay, day trader of the day. Let's bring everyone up to date with a quick commercial break. We've got to get off in just a few moments' time. Here is the commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Okay, we are back. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do it. I don't lurk. My wife told me to stop impersonating a flamingo. I had to put my foot down. Howdy, Duty Rocket Man. How's it going? Lovely to see you. I'd like your thoughts on this one. Sam, last night, my world premiere, I was singing with Sir Paul McCartney. Did you see it? Here it is. Here's the video. If anyone's not seen it, there's the video. Go and check it out. We are running out of time tonight for Mohammed Kahine. I've waited as long as I can. Oh, he's back in again. Now then, can you unmute your microphone? I can see you. You just need to unmute your microphone and you will be good to go. I can see you. You just haven't unmuted your microphone. Or you don't have a microphone that's working. I don't know. There's nothing I can do. As you saw, it does work because it was working for Ali a few moments ago. I think he's left again. All right. Mohammed's struggling a little bit tonight to get it to work. You'll get there. Thanks for being a star, Martin. Real Ray, you are welcome, my friend. Thanks for being part of all this. Let It Be. That was an amazing video. Oh, thank you. You watched it. Thank you, Sam. Sorry. No, don't apologize. You will get it. Some people had difficulty at first, but everyone gets it. We've had everybody call in from every type of different system. You will get it. You were nearly there. You are a member now. You will get it. Honestly, it might be right down to you've not verified your email or something like that, but you are so close. You're one step away now, and you'll be in. So I'm going to wrap it up today. If you're not going to, if you're done, because we've got the Netflix earnings to do, and we have to cover that now. So I think we're good. And Sam is another person I mentioned about Live Streamer Cafe. Sam, you can be running your YouTube channel on our server for free all the time, gaining subscribers and friends and fans. You don't even need to pay. I don't know why you're not doing it. You've got a YouTube channel. Anyway, we're done. Netflix is up. I don't know why. They missed on earnings, but there you go. That's like the kids' joke. When I can't catch you, I will eat you. All right then. Okay. So we are going to end. We're going to end the broadcast now, and we're going to be back with Netflix. Mohammed is not in there, so I think we're done. I think he's finished. I've got a direct message. It might be from Mohammed. Let me have a quick look. Who's it from? Member requests. Mohammed, accept a direct message. Yes, I will. Add as a friend. I'll do that. I'll do everything I can to help. Hi there. Mohammed, I've just accepted you as a friend. So hopefully that'll help. But has nothing to do with it really, but I've done it anyway. Okay, we're going to wrap up the show. Did we do Day Trader of the Day? We didn't, do we? So Day Trader of the Day, please. Go to your main portfolio. I will keep an eye just in case he pops in. Down 0.89%. Let's get everybody up to date. Let's do Day Trader of the Day, please. Is everybody up to date? Put my score on the door. Give you 1 minute on the clock. You ready? Let's see if we can get the scores in. Down 0.5. Stephen goes into the lead. Waiting for the scores to come in. Real Ray is back. Real Ray is back hey! There's Real Ray. Look, there he is. He's got a picture and everything. Real Ray, I want you to go live and do something, Real Ray. There he is. Look at him. Boom, chicky, 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 boom, boom, boom. There we go. Real Ray is in the Live Streamer Cafe. I wonder what Ray went for. Is he a bronze member, a silver gold member? Let's have a little look at him. There he is. He is the Ray fan club. Look at that. There he is. Timer. Let's end the timer. Awesome stuff. Very, very good. He's got his tip jars. Look, he's setting it all up. I love it. I love it. All right, then. Let's go back to the scores today. What did we get in the end? What did we get in the end? And Mike, look, Mike's joined him as well. Look, so down 0.7 says Jason Asbury. Who's the winner then? It must be. Well, the only one I've got is 0.5. 0.5 is Stephen Lewandowski. So, Stephen Lewandowski, I'm going to give the winner. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There we go. I'm going to give it to Stephen Lewandowski. There we go. Anybody else that pops in, you're all too late. Too late. Congratulations, Ed Nevis. Get them, everyone. Very, very nice. That's it. Right now, folks, I've got a big ask to make. I told you by the end of this month, we've got 11 days to go. 11 days to go if I'm going to save my channel from being demonetized. And we've got 500 hours to go. Some of you have stopped looping the playlist. I need you really badly. Without it, my music channel will be demonetized. I can't do live concerts. I can't raise money. I can't get promoted by YouTube. I can't get do fundraisers where I get super chats. We're only 500 hours to go. We were 450 hours to go, but in the rolling 365 days, there's some hours dropping off at the end. So pick a playlist and let it run if you want to keep my channel from being demonetized. All right? Anyway, okay, we're going to close the broadcast lounge. It doesn't look like Mohammed came back, so I kept it open as long as I could. Hey! We got a super chat from Sam. Thank you very much, Sam. Awesome stuff. And we're 17 away. We're 17 away from a public server on Discord. Fantastic. We're 483. Sam, thank you ever so much for your support of the channel. It is the super chats that keep this channel alive. That's what supports and makes it possible for me to go live every day. All right. Okay. Now, for those of you who didn't do it this morning, most of you did. You were amazing. As you all know, the Twitter version of the stock market is StockWits, and I asked you this morning to follow me on StockWits, and nearly all of you did it. For those of you who didn't, there is StockWits. I went from 12 to 18 followers this morning. Love you, mate. Thank you so much. There is the StockWits. Thank you. Right, we're done. I've got to get out of here. We've got to roll the credits. We've got to get ready for the Netflix. And I'll be... Oh, there she goes. Oh, dear. It was a quick pump. Oh, up and down. Take your money. Buy your money. Take your money. Buy your money. Oh, my gosh. I can't get involved in all that. It's ridiculous. It's losing money. It's... What can you say? I mean, it missed earnings. The expectations came down dramatically, and it missed on it. So, you know, guys, I mean, they gained subscribers, but... They're losing money. Anyway, there we go. Partly the problem is they're paying too much money to the filmmakers. Some of the actors want millions and millions and millions. Roll the credits. Right, roll the credits. Now then, I'll see you back in the morning. I think you should do some jingles, Martin. You could make a fortune. Seriously, some jingles. I don't think I've got any more time, Ray. I love what I'm doing. I haven't got any more time. I can't do any more. And it's not about the money. It's about the community. And I've got people here watching and following every day. I can't ask for more. Can't ask for more. Right. That's it from me. I will see you all back in just a few minutes' time for the build-up for the Netflix earnings. I am going to grab a beer. Actually, I might have a whiskey. I think I'm going to have a whiskey. I'm going to have a whiskey and sit here listening into Netflix. It will set the tone for the upcoming coming weeks of all the major earnings. So join me for a whiskey, join me for a drink, and we'll just listen in to the Netflix earnings. But I am going to get off now. So let's roll the credits, and thank you ever so much, everyone who took part on today's show. Here we go. Let's bring in the music. Start of the show. Sam was our only gift of the day. Thank you ever so much, Sam. Thank you very much indeed. We didn't gain any more public subscribers. It was quite a quiet show, really. I think it's going to be very busy for Netflix, though, in just a few minutes' time. So I'm going to get off. You'll see me go live in just a few minutes. If you stay where you are, it'll take you direct there. Please do try to keep my music channel alive. I've only got a month, end of the month to go. Click a playlist, let it run, and hopefully we'll get 500 hours by the end of the month. It's going to be tight because there's only really a handful doing it at the moment. Anyway, thank you all. See you back in a few minutes for the Netflix earnings. Otherwise, see you back here in the morning for the cash prize giveaway. It's Friday. We do it every Friday, right? See you in the morning. In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other.